Good morning, people. We just checked out of the Blue Hostel and we've now checked into the Beehive. We wanted to just show you how close it is to Termini.
Right there.
Termini. This is the main station in Rome, so you can get buses anywhere to Rome from there. You can also get trains to anywhere in Italy from there, so it's super central. And now we're just going to go and grab some lunch and then we're going to go to the Roman Forum. Okay, so here we are at Termini and there's this really big Christmas tree and what I guess is just like notes to Santa or Jesus or something. I think it's cute.
It is cute. Did you say there was something with Jesus?
Jesus is coming very soon. Watch out. What's a rodent?
It's insects. Which way to the forum? Ha 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 ha.
So this is iFam. We found it on Happy Cow, which is a great website for finding good food in places. And
let's check out the menu.
Okay, let's start with yours.
thank you.
Alright, here are sandwiches.
Yay!
They smelled really good. The guy was really nice. He recommended what to put on there and stuff. For Roman prices, it was okay. We're now gonna go to the forum and sit somewhere nice and eat our sandwiches. And then explore the forum and give you some interesting facts. Like we did yesterday with the Colosseum. If you haven't checked it out, make sure you do this. Link in the description underneath this video.
So we got our sandwiches from iFam and mine is a fake meat made out of lentils and fake cheese made out of potato starch and coconut oil. I also got olives, rocket, sun-dried tomatoes, and Chambo's got the same cheese and the different fake meat made out of chickpeas, so yay!
Laura tried to get a free drink. She failed.
Oh my god, there are pigeons in there!
Oh wow, oh that's disgusting. Good job you didn't drink that.
Oh my god!
We made it. That's the forum.
No.
€1? No, thank you. Oh good. Looks beautiful though.
This is
Not as beautiful as that. But thank you.
This is original.
Say hi to YouTube.
Okay.
Okay, here we are again, right by the Colosseum, and we're now going to go to the Forum.
Yay! We're not really sure what's the Forum and what's the Palatine Hill.
Join us and find out. Also, I didn't really film this cool horse yesterday. I don't know what it's about or whatever, but it looks pretty cool.
So that's the Colosseum. Yesterday when we went, which you can see in the link below, the queue was really short. It only took 5 minutes to get the tickets, but the tickets are valid for the Roman Forum and Palatine Hill and the Colosseum. So if the Colosseum queue is really long, just go here right next door to the Forum and get a ticket for all three, because there's nobody there. It's even shorter, so top tip. I hope that made sense.
And here we have the Colosseum again from a different angle. Thank you. Alright,
so hot.
we made it.
What is this?
I'm not sure which part this is, but it looks incredible.
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 Check out that, whatever that is. Okay, here we are at the Forum in Rome. This was the center of public life for centuries.
The site of triumphal processions, public speeches,
and criminal trials. It was you.
and gladiator matches. So basically it was the nucleus for commercial affairs, and as you can see it's super close to the Colosseum.
Nice view indeed.
So it's been called the most celebrating meeting place in the whole world and in all of history. Who knew?
Check out that shell.
Why are you filming?
Laura's on it again. Insta good.
I just like that we're like in the middle of a really busy city and you wouldn't know it. It's really peaceful and
Very peaceful. It's very peaceful. Very zen.
birds singing. Okay, so we're done with the Roman Forum. I think it was really pretty and peaceful. There's a nicer kind of vibe here than in the Colosseum because I guess fewer people died here. I like these trees. I like these ruins. Yeah.
Now we're gonna get some shopping and show you where we're staying.
Don't!
Alright, and that was the forum.
And I think also Palatine Hill, I'm not sure. I think that hill we were on might have been the Palatine Hill.
Oh, yeah.
Don't do this bit.
Here we are at the Beehive. Laura loves being filmed when she opens doors for the first time. Trying out all the keys. Oop, that's not it. Oop, oh that is it. Yeah, she's done it. Well done. Well done. Alright, so the cool thing about this Beehive place is that these rooms are actually in a separate bit to the dorm rooms, so they're actually in another building right now. There it is, assigned to the suites. Another sign, suites. And obviously we got given those keys earlier. Whew. And here we are. Yeah, let's show them the kitchen first. So there's our room number 1. I'm going to show you some other rooms. And here's the communal area, as you can see. It's a nice kitchen. So here you can sit and chill. We can use this kitchen. There's a fridge, sink, nice painting on the wall, nice sofa, chill area.
And I think the iPad is
Wi-Fi here. There's an iPad there as well. Ooh. There you go, community iPad.
And they actually have an app.
Ooh,
They
look.
do have an app, but they don't have it on their iPad.
Okay, well there's the website for the Beehive.
And so we're in the suites.
That's right. There you go, nice. So yeah, let's show you the room. There's the Wi-Fi router. Alright people, that's our room.
I love how we have a little balcony.
Let me show you the balcony, it's pretty cool.
We have our breakfast here, or coffee.
That's right, nice view, it's really sunny.
It's so sunny, I'm really hot.
Whew. And here's our room. Nice big double bed.
Really comfy.
Big room, high ceiling.
There's a bathroom.
Own bathroom, that's right. There's a chair and a little desk where we're going to do our work. Towels. And there's Laura. And I guess that's it for today. So, ooh. So yeah, thank you so much for watching people. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, subscribe to this channel if you're new, and join us tomorrow for more fun in Rome. Woo! For now, ciao.
Arrivederci.
Bye.